Dogs were once called man's best friend. Now, their mechanical counterparts might become humanity's greatest threat on the battlefield. These aren't your typical robots. They're agile, intelligent, and some can even shoot flames. And China is building an army of them. From Singapore's power tunnels to military bases across America, these mechanical beasts are already on duty. Here are the most terrifying robot dogs serving around the world. Meet the Unitree B2W, the beast redefining robot dogs. At one point, 1 meters tall and 75 kilograms, this isn't some cute tech toy. It's a powerhouse that can haul 40 kilograms like it's nothing, basically carrying a 10-year-old while running a marathon. What truly sets it apart is its innovative dual mobility system. On smooth surfaces, it glides like a state-of-the-art tank, but when it encounters rough terrain, the legs activate, effortlessly navigating stairs, debris, and inclines sharper than 45 degrees. Imagine a Mars rover combined with the agility of a mountain goat. It boasts an impressive range, covering 50 kilometers on a single charge. That's longer than a marathon, while reaching speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. Stairs pose no challenge. It can scale steps up to 25 centimeters with ease. Furthermore, it operates flawlessly in extreme conditions, from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, handling the elements effortlessly. The B2W isn't just about raw power, it's incredibly intelligent. Equipped with depth cameras, optional 3D LiDAR, and up to 3 high-performance computers, including an Intel Core i7 and Jetson Orin NX, this machine is essentially a mobile data center, equipped with both legs and wheels. Speed and strength aren't everything. The Vision 60 by Ghost Robotics brings something else to the table, and trust me, it's wild. Since 2015, Ghost Robotics has been pushing boundaries, and this is their masterpiece. Picture it patrolling Nellis Air Force Base, unfazed by the military chaos around it. Built like a tank, the Vision 60 is NDAA compliant, meaning it meets strict military standards and laughs in the face of bad weather, be it rain, snow, or scorching desert heat. Its 5 onboard cameras constantly scan its surroundings, streaming real-time data to operators, like having eyes in every direction. And unlike robots that need constant babysitting, it runs autonomous routes for 3 hours, covering 12 kilometers per charge. But the real standout feature of the Vision 60 is its versatile architecture. It's designed to manage a 22-pound payload, which means it can be equipped with a range of tools from communication devices to advanced 360-degree FLIR cameras and even CBRN sensors. It simplifies long patrols with cruise control, climbs stairs without hesitation, and automatically adjusts to sandy terrain. Thanks to its LiDAR navigation system and the deployment of over 300 units in critical national security operations, the Vision 60 isn't just any robot. It's setting the stage for the future of defense. The evolution of these machines has been remarkable, and the GoTo by Unitree represents a perfect example of how far we've come. This is a machine that weighs just 18 kilograms. That's lighter than your average carry-on luggage, but don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse is packed with features that would make more expensive robots jealous. Allow me to highlight its standout tech. The GoTo comes with something special. Unitree's proprietary 4D LiDAR L1 system. You might be thinking it's just another sensor setup, but it's much more than that. Imagine having a robot that can see everything around it in a massive 360-degree horizontal sweep, plus 90 degrees up and down. That's like giving the robot superhuman vision, the ability to look in every direction at once. But Unitree wasn't content with just making a standard quadruped. They've taken it a step further with the introduction of the GoTo-W, where W stands for wheeled. This variant replaces traditional paws with wheels, adding an innovative twist to its mobility. Think of it like a transformer. When it needs to move efficiently on flat surfaces, it rolls along on its wheels. But when it faces obstacles, it can still walk and climb with the agility of a seasoned climber. These wheels are more than just for show. They're part of an active shock absorption system that ensures a smooth ride, protecting any sensitive equipment the robot carries. And speaking of precision engineering, let's talk about AnyMAL by Anybotics. Now, when I say this is Swiss-made, I mean the same precision as a luxury watch, scaled up to a 30-kilogram robot built for extreme industrial environments. While others focus on speed or strength, AnyMAL is designed to go where humans can't. Places with explosive gases, toxic fumes, or extreme conditions. It's even certified explosion-proof, a game changer for industries like oil and gas. The engineering is brilliant. Its carbon fiber body is not only lightweight, but also incredibly strong, and it features 12 identical joint units, simplifying repairs significantly. If one breaks, you simply switch it out with a spare, eliminating the need for custom parts. Plus, it's equipped with an array of advanced sensors, rotating LiDAR for comprehensive 3D mapping, stereo and wide-angle cameras for precise depth perception, and haptic sensors on its rubber feet. This means that even if its vision fails, AnyMAL can navigate by touch, much like finding your way in the dark. And it's tough, really tough. AnyMAL can withstand a fall from half a meter, and it's built to endure. Its sensors are encased in special housing with foam padding to absorb shocks, and its underbelly is reinforced with Kevlar to withstand rough terrain. Fully sealed against water and dust, AnyMAL isn't just a robot, it's an unstoppable industrial workhorse. You probably know this one. Boston Dynamics Spot is a celebrity in the world of robotic dogs, and it's easy to see why. Those viral videos of it dancing and navigating parkour courses are just glimpses of its capabilities. Spot functions like a tirelessly efficient service animal capable of being reprogrammed for virtually any task. Whether it's performing security patrols, inspecting hazardous sites, or even opening doors with its optional robotic arm, yes, this dog has an arm. However, the true brilliance of Spot lies in its modularity. Spot is a versatile platform designed for extensive customization. Users can easily attach specialized cameras or integrate environmental sensors to suit specific needs. Equipped with advanced AI, Spot autonomously maps out environments, learns layouts, and detects irregularities, all without the need for human input. This capability allows Spot to operate efficiently and adaptively in a variety of settings. While Spot might come with a price tag comparable to a luxury car, businesses view it as a strategic investment. This robotic powerhouse can access areas that are off-limits to humans, operate around the clock, and swiftly adapt to new tasks. This adaptability and resilience have made Spot the face of commercial robotics, showcasing the incredible potential of combining cutting-edge technology with practical, innovative design. Now, let's talk about something completely different, the Thermonator. Just when you thought robot dogs couldn't get more interesting, an Ohio-based company called ThrowFlame decided to take a Unitree GoTo and give it a rather explosive upgrade. And yes, this is a robot dog with a flamethrower, and surprisingly, it's completely legal in 48 US states. We're talking about a machine that can project streams of fire up to 30 feet, and it does this with remarkable precision thanks to its built-in laser sighting system. The technical specs on this thing are pretty wild. It comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for remote control through your smartphone. And yes, you can literally control a flame-throwing robot dog from your phone. The LiDAR sensor helps it map its environment and avoid obstacles, which is probably a good thing when you're dealing with a machine that shoots fire. And with its first-person view navigation system, operators can see exactly where they're directing those flames. Price tag? A cool $9,420. That might sound steep, but remember, this isn't just any robot dog. It's built for some very specific applications. The company lists uses like wildfire control, agricultural management, and snow and ice removal. Though, let's be honest, when you hear flame-throwing robot dog, those aren't the first applications that come to mind. Of course, you can't really talk about robotic pioneers without mentioning Big Dog. This thing was a game changer. Developed by Boston Dynamics with funding from DARPA, Big Dog was basically designed to serve as a robotic pack mule for military operations. In the field, soldiers often have to carry over 100 pounds of gear through some of the most challenging terrain imaginable. So, that's where Big Dog came in. This mechanical beast could haul 150 kilograms across some difficult terrain. Steep slopes, rocky paths, dense forests, you name it. Big Dog could handle it all, but 50 sensors scattered throughout its body. It could monitor everything from how much force each leg was applying to the ground to how fast its internal engine was spinning. It even knew its own temperature and hydraulic pressure. And all of this data fed into a system that could make split-second adjustments to keep the robot stable, even when walking on ice or getting kicked from the side. And then, it got better. Boston Dynamics looked at Big Dog and thought, how can we make this even more useful for our troops? Their answer was Alpha Dog, or as the military called it, the Legged Squad Support System, LS3. Alpha Dog was an absolute beast. This robot could carry 400 pounds of gear and keep going for 20 miles without needing a refuel. But what really set it apart wasn't just its strength, it was its intelligence. This machine could actually follow soldiers autonomously through rough terrain. No remote control needed, just tell it to follow, and it would keep up with the squad like a well-trained mule.
LS3 follow tight.
The Marines actually tested Alpha Dog in real training exercises in Hawaii, and the feedback was pure gold. Soldiers reported it could handle about 70 to 80% of the terrain they could traverse. Pretty impressive for a robot carrying hundreds of pounds of gear. They even gave it a nickname, Cujo. Sure, it was noisy, but when you're talking about a machine that can carry more than 3 soldiers' worth of equipment without getting tired, a little noise seems like a fair trade-off. So, yes, from Big Dog's early steps to the sophisticated platforms we see today, these machines are the new beasts on the battlefield. If you were absolutely blown away by these war dogs, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything coming up. See you there.